Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. I am at the lake today with the Vivitar Aeroview video drone. Actually, I was thinking that I would have a lot of fun with it today, but it is kind of windy. Very windy out here, so those little stunts that I thought I would maybe make over the water, it's very tricky to do that now. But let's go. It took off real well, but it drifted a little bit because of the wind, and it balanced off itself. But so far everything is looking good. Man, it is very windy out here. Man. Very tricky. See, it is kind of stable. It is fighting the wind, really struggling to, stabilize itself. That is one of the good things about this drone. When it is properly calibrated, it will try to, stand the test of the wind. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, right. It is very windy over the water as well. It is struggling. I don't want to go too low. It might take a nosedive. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that bird. Woo! Some stability test here. It is really fighting. Woo, look at that. Let's see if we can go over the water right now. It is windy though. It is flashing low battery, so I just have to rather bring it down. I don't want to take too much risk because of the wind. So guys, tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. What do you think about this flight? It was an exciting one. I had to be very, very cautious. and it did pretty well. Look at that bird right there.